just doing this for money and stuff.
What's going on, buddy boy?
Give me $10,000, I will donate everything. I don't want his dirty money that he's earned on like slandering and defending others.
We need to speak up. We cannot let this continue to happen. He can get away with this because we are staying silent, because we are not speaking up and saying that this is not okay.
You refuse to put up your identification.
Well, this is bullshit.